God, you guys, this is giving me like SZA vibes. Like, oh my god, I actually might rock it like this. Hey sis, welcome back to my channel. So today I am doing a hair review. You guys, I have not done an official hair review on my channel yet, but people are always asking me where I get my wigs from, how much I pay for them, how I style them, things like that. So today I am giving you guys a review on this hair that I have on my head today. So yes, let's get into this hair review. Hey, so you guys, I wanted to start with the packaging. I'll have the links below in the description box of like the hair, things like that. But this is what it came in. It came in like a pink baggie. The brand is called CYNOSURE. I don't know how to say it. I've been trying to figure it out for the last couple days, but I'm sure it's CYNOSURE hair. Also came with this like human hair. Let me focus. I'm sorry, guys. But yeah, it just has like the ways you style the hair, the ratings, the different types of hair that they sell, like all that stuff like that. So this is really cute. It also shows some people on the back that's purchased the hair and take pictures and things like that. So I thought that was really cute. But that came in the package as well as a thank you letter. And this thank you note or letter, it just says that we appreciate that you ordered hair from our store. As a thank you, I'm glad to remind you that we will send you a free gift. We have 5 different gifts as the following pictures, and they have like pictures below of all the stuff that you get. Obviously, I got eyelashes. That's what most hair companies put in their packaging. So I thought that was cute as well. And then lastly, obviously, eyelashes. I'm not sure if I'll actually wear them. I'll try them out, but like, yeah, I don't know. They look a little long for me. Yeah, so let's get into the review of this actual like body of hair. But this is a body wave. I believe it's in 22. Like the stretch length, it comes like my belly button's here. So I would say it comes about like a inch or maybe like a half an inch above my belly button. So I believe it's like a 20 or 22. I'm not sure. But this is the hair dried out. Like it's super cute when you wet it and then it dries because it's like super soft and it's like crinkly. And I like love these curls. Sorry if y'all can see my lace. Like my lace is like coming up. It's a mess. I've had this in my hair for like maybe a week now, and I'm about to take it out like as soon as I'm done recording, like whatever. There's like very minimum shedding. I think I see the most shedding when I wet it and I'm brushing it out from like it not being combed out. And me, I usually like wet it and then go like 2 days without touching it, just because I like the like messy look. As you guys can see, like it looks like kind of like bedhead a little bit. I don't know, I just really like that look, especially for the fall because it is cold, so I'm mainly in like sweatpants and stuff like that. So I thought that was cute, sis. I thought it was super cute. I don't really see much shedding unless I'm like running my fingers through it, and that's just to detangle it because like I said, I wait a couple of days until I water, wet and go, because I'm just lazy, you know. I spend a lot of my time laying around and editing and stuff like that. So actually did not wet this today. I probably sprinkled like a tad bit of water on it, but I didn't do much to it today. So I did want to show you guys what it looks like when you wet it. And yeah, so you guys, this is this is the hair in full. I literally had this ponytail in my hair since yesterday, and I literally wrapped my hair with the ponytail in it. God, you guys, this is giving me like SZA vibes. Like, oh my god, I actually might rock it like this. Like, how cute is this? Puffy cute, y'all? Like, y'all gonna have to tell me. Hype me, don't hype me, bro. Don't hate me. But yeah, so I'm gonna show you guys what this looks like wet. I'm done playing around with it. But no, for real, y'all, like this like messy look is like, it's like everything to me right now. Alright, I'm done playing, y'all. I'm done playing. So I do have a cup of water because my spray bottle got alcohol in it right now. Cause yeah, I be going out to homes and stuff for work and people got bed bugs. So I'm gonna just like dip, like take some water in my hand and like just like put water on the hair. But y'all know what to do. Like, I don't know why y'all got me sitting here explaining this shit. We ain't stupid. Y'all who got wigs, y'all know what to do. If you wet it all the way, I tend to like scrunch it, and that's how I get like the really, oh, look at that. Y'all, this is so cute. I'm gonna just end up doing my whole head because I'm taking this off anyways. I just want to show you guys how this hair is because I fucking love it. I'm probably going to order this again, y'all. And I actually got it for $133, I believe. And it came in 2 days because obviously I got it off of Amazon Prime. And again, like I said, that link will be listed below. And you guys, like, this is what I mean by, like, shedding. Like, there's, like, that much hair. And I get that much hair most of the time. Maybe a little bit more if it's, like, really nappy. But, yeah, so I'm going to go through. And you guys see the difference? Like, look at that definition. So I'm gonna finish this up and then I'll be back. All right, so you guys, this is what it looks like wet. And like, I usually just kind of like go, and then once this dries out, because it will be just a little hard, and some of it will like dry in like the chunks, and it doesn't look bad. You can leave it like that, it'll just give you like a wet look, but I tend to just like go in and like lightly like feather and separate it out to get that like volume. You guys, I freaking love this hair. Like, y'all see my lace, y'all. It's a mess. It's a mess. But y'all see, this is so cute. Let me turn around to the back. I missed some spots back here because I can feel it. It's like poofy, but you get the point, sis. I'm not going through all that because, like I said, I'm taking this wig off once I am done recording, you guys. But I love this hair. So Amazon, like, you can send me some if you want to, but like, and I believe it's 150 density as well. So yeah, and it's pretty thick. Okay, so this is all I have for this review. I hope you like this video. Give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And also, you guys, I'll see you in my next video.